Choosing the right color scheme can completely transform your living space. Today, Davis Paints will give you tips on how to choose your desired color scheme. Learning how to use the color wheel can help you identify the color scheme that will fit your space. There are 3 types of color scheme to remember. First is the monochromatic color scheme, which uses different tones of the same color. Use the darkest tone to create pockets of visual interest in the room. An analogous color scheme uses colors that are next to each other in the color wheel. Create depth and harmony in a space by layering different tints and shades from analogous color groups. A complementary color scheme uses colors that are opposite to each other on the wheel. These colors are bold and high contrast. So, to keep it balanced, assign a dominant color, secondary color, and an accent color. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows make a room feel cozy and intimate. But if you have a small space, cool colors like blues, greens, and purples make it appear larger. For more DIY painting tips, like and subscribe to our pages, or visit our website at www.daviespaints.com